Hi friends, I'm Dr. Chirag Gandhi, consulting pediatric occupational therapist. Today I'm going to talk about how parents' conflicts affects our kids in their learning and their behavior and their attention. So let's start. In true marriage, man and woman think more of a partnership than they think of themselves. Love is not blind. It sees faults as well as virtues. Without any hesitation, it accepts the fact that no one is perfect. Surely for the person who is going to spend rest of your life is the one whom you can give the confidence, or you have the confidence in that person. A deep nurturing relationship is based on a trust, and trust cannot be achieved overnight. It is a process, maybe a lifelong process of building more trust to your partner. So in this process, it is very natural to have conflicts. In this process, it is very natural to have verbal arguments and difference of opinion. But if you find yourself doing this more frequently, then you are affecting your child's learning. So how exactly your children are affected because of a parent's conflicts? In research, it is seen a child 6-month-old may be affected if their parents keep arguing in front of their child again and again. Child may see that reaction you may see that reaction in a child as a stress, as a fear, his sleep may be disturbed, his eating habits may change, learning may get affected. This is not only applicable for a 6-month-old baby, but this is applicable in the lifespan of a child. When their sleep is disturbed, their behavior also changes, their learning gets affected, their attention is affected. The hormones which is generating a stress hormone takes place when he is witnessing this kind of a hostile environment, and gradually that stress is converted into maybe aggressive behaviors also. They may end up having depression. So, how to stop this? The steps are simple, but you need to consciously practice about it. Whenever you have a conflict, there is highly probability that one person will be unreasonable in their demands. In the moment of heat, in the moment of argument, at least one of the parent need to respond rather than react. Just take a deep breath, relax yourself, try to identify who is unreasonable. If you can figure out who is unreasonable, address it with logic in a peaceful manner. It looks like easy, but yes, it is tough. If you put conscious efforts, this is possible to achieve. Maybe in a couple of days, maybe in a couple of weeks, maybe in a couple of years. But I assure you, it is possible to do it. With conscious efforts, we can change our behaviors and our responses when we are facing a difficult situation. So this is the area where parent can have immediate control and can contribute into a learning of a child. Let's talk something more about attention. So this factor which I described was an environmental factor for attention. There are other areas which also contributes in the development of attention. Their eating habits. If children is eating a healthy, regular diet, then definitely it helps nervous systems to stay organized. So eating habits should be also be given equal importance. Thank you very much.